I can't break up my family.
I can't break up my family.
I can't break up my family. Billy needs his dad.
This can't go on.
Billy needs his dad. This can't go on.
Billy needs his dad.
This can't go on. You have to do something before it gets worse.
You have to do something before it gets worse.
You have to do something before it gets worse. I see this all the time at the hospital.
I see this all the time at the hospital.
I see this all the time at the hospital. I'm afraid for you.
You don't understand.
I'm afraid for you. You don't understand.
I'm afraid for you.
You don't understand. I can't go to the police. I don't have my papers. There's nothing I can do.
You can do something. Please, sit down.
I don't have my papers. There's nothing I can do.
You can do something. Please, sit down.
Do you want to report a crime?
Not exactly. We have a friend, and we think her husband is abusing her.
You have come to the right place. It is my job to help women like your friend. Can you tell me what's going on?
He doesn't let her see her friends, and her husband takes all the money from her paychecks.
Well, those are often signs of trouble.
But she doesn't have her papers. She doesn't know what to do. She is scared.
Your friend doesn't have to worry. She does not need to have papers. Here in New York, we help everyone.
She doesn't want to make trouble. She doesn't want everyone to know about her problem.
Many women have the same problem. Trust me, I have seen all types of people in her situation. Take this information. Domestic violence is a very serious problem, and there are no easy answers. But it will not get better. She has to do something about it.
Thank you very much.
You can tell your friend to come see me. I'll be here for her. Or she can go to any police station in the city. There, someone like me can help.
What are you telling my wife? Are you trying to break up our marriage? Going to the police? You're my father.
Yes. And I'm also Billy's grandfather. I will not allow you to hurt your wife and your child.
This is my family. It's none of your business. You are destroying our family, our name. No! You are. Your actions are hurting our family. Your mother and I did not teach you to act this way.
And Billy is my son. I will not raise my child in a home where people hurt each other, where he sees and hears it. You must choose. If you want to keep your family, you must stop this.
If you do not stop this, you will lose your family. You will be alone.